Our top story, and it's the BJP versus Press Council Chairman Justice Markanday Katju. Katju has hit back now at Arun Jaitley for demanding his resignation. He said the Rajya Sabha opposition leader was talking nonsense and that he should quit politics. He also said Jaitley was twisting facts and that he had also hit out against Congress governments in the past. Arun Jaitley has made the demand in a signed article after Katju wrote an opinion piece in The Hindu on Friday in which he criticized Narendra Modi and his policies. Katju had noted in the article that there's still a mystery of what happened in Godhra. He had also said he found it hard to believe that Modi had no hand in 2002. Jaitley says it reads more like a personal tirade and that his attacks on non-Congress governments seem more in the nature of thanksgiving to those who provided him with a post-retirement job. Other BJP leaders have also joined in the attack. Now, in his article, Jaitley says, and I quote, "Should not a former judge who currently occupies a quasi-judicial office as chairman of the Press Council of India either quit before actively participating in politics or be sacked? Retired judges must remember that the rental for occupying a Lutyens bungalow post-retirement has to be political neutrality, not political participation."
That though we have the highest regard for a retired judge like Justice Markanday Katju, but while continuing as the chairman of the Press Council, he had repeatedly given indication, as Shri Arun Jaitley has indicated, that he is seeking to target non-Congress government, be in Bihar, or Shri Narendra Modi in Gujarat, or sometimes in Bengal. We have rarely seen him making any observation about the massive corruptions of UPA, whether it's 2G or Coalgate or Helicoptergate, or so many scams are there.
The leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, in his detailed article today has started by saying that Justice Katju must quit as the chairman of the Press Council of India, and he goes on to say that how you have been selectively targeting two popular non-Congress state governments. Your comments?
Mr. Arun Jaitley is talking rubbish and nonsense. I have also criticized Congress governments. For instance, I have strongly criticized the Chief Minister of Maharashtra when that girl Shaheen, who wrote on Facebook, had been arrested. And I wrote two very strong letters to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, who is a Congress Chief Minister. Similarly, I wrote a very strong letter to the present Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, who is a Congress Chief Minister, Mr. Veerbhadra Singh, when he told a media person that he will break his camera. And I thought this is not acceptable. The low level to Mr. Arun Jaitley has stooped down. I will not like to go down to that level. He has gone down to that low level of making a personal attack on me when I am totally neutral. I will respectfully request Mr. Arun Jaitley to resign from politics. He is not cut out for politics because he twists facts, he distorts facts, gives a totally wrong version. So please, Mr. Arun Jaitley, resign from politics, take up sannyas. You will be very happy there.